So are you losing your Instagram DMs and you do not keep the track of these DMs for your business? Then this video is for you. Now here, whenever I'm receiving a new DM on my Instagram, I'm automatically adding all these DMs to my Google Sheet spreadsheet for the easy analysis of me and my team. Now I'm going to send a message. We are going to check this automation workflow, whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to send a message from my another account. And if that is added to my Google Sheet spreadsheet, then this is going to show us the automation workflow is working fine. I'm going to open another account in incognito mode. So here I'm going to send a message. Hello, please tell me more about your product I want to purchase. Now I'll go back towards my workflow and check whether the same message is added there or not. So here we have received this message. Let me open my Google Sheet spreadsheet here, and here it is. We have received the sender ID and the message. Hello, please tell me more about your product I want to purchase. This is the same exact message which we have sent. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and now to learn how we can create this, let's start creating this from the scratch. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to add my Instagram DMs to my Google Sheets instantly and automatically. And for this, I'm simply going to build connection between Instagram developer and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. Now here, this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that are forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I have to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'll name this workflow as automatically capture Instagram messages in Google Sheets, and now I need to select my folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as Instagram automations and then click on create. Now from here, we are going to start creating this workflow. Here we have this box as add trigger. Now here, trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new Instagram DM, it is automatically added to my Google Sheet spreadsheet, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new message, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Instagram developer, and following this trigger application, in my action application, I will be taking Google Sheets where I want to add these DMs. I'm going to select my trigger event as new message and then click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I have to enter the token and the account identifier. Now I have created a detailed video on this step, and I'm going to provide the link of that video in the description so that you can check that out and you can set up this connection. So as I have already an existing connection, now I'm going to save this, and you will see Instagram will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and here it is. Now I simply have to click on the save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and now I need to do a test submission, which means I'm going to send a message from my another account to this particular account, and if I receive the message in my workflow, then this is going to show us the connection setup is working fine. I'm going to open my another account in incognito mode. So here you can see that I'm sending a message to this particular account. Hello, I'm looking to work with you. Could you please share details? So here I have sent this message. The message has been sent. Let me open my workflow and check whether I have received the same message there or not. So here it is. We can see that we have received this message. We have received the sender ID, the recipient ID. If I scroll down and open this message, you can see that this is the message which I have received. Hello, I'm looking to work with you. Could you please share details? So we can see the connection setup is working fine as soon as I have received this message. And now whenever there will be new message sent to me on this account, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. If I open my Instagram, you can see that we have sent the same message to our account from another account. So now as I have received the message, I want to add this message to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. I simply have to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for Google Sheets. In my action event, I'm going to select add new row and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this sign in with Google. Here you need to choose your Google account with which you have logged in your Google Sheets, and after choosing that account, you simply have to click on this allow to grant away the permission. Here connection is created successfully. Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter these details, where first I have to select the spreadsheet. So this is the spreadsheet which I have created by the name Instagram DMs. So I'm going to select the same spreadsheet, and as I select the spreadsheet, you will see the fields are over here in this workflow. The same fields which I have in this spreadsheet are here. Now I'm going to enter these details, but I'm not going to enter these details manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. Now, if you are an existing user, you already know about this mapping, but if you are a new user, here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Here I'm going to enter / first, then go towards this Instagram, and then I'm going to enter the sender ID, and then I'm going to map the message which I have received, which is this one. After adding all these details, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request, and here we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. So here I'm going to open my Google Sheets spreadsheet, and here it is. We have added details. The sender ID is this, the message is this, which we have added. Now to summarize, we took Instagram as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new message, and then we want to add that to Google Sheet. We took Google Sheet as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally sent or added that message to our Google Sheet spreadsheet. Now this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Instagram and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.